Okay, let's talk about prop design. Props are any objects that is not a character or an environment. You can have objects in the background, of course, but if they don't do anything important, then they are part of the environment. Same goes for stuff that the characters wear, but not completely interact with. Props are the weapons, items, vehicles, bags, big objects that characters go in or climb, things like that. They are things that the characters could potentially interact with. They are all important for storytelling purposes, for conveying your ideas to the audience. But make sure you design the props properly, in good size for the characters, and make sure that they match with the environment overall.